in all likelihood Buffalo, as the 3-2 is popped up. Shallow right, few steps in for Wilson. And we'll see if it's deep enough for Shaw to tag to third. He's off, here comes the throw, and he slides in ahead of it. So Jimenez with a fly out to right field, but allows Shaw to push his way from the left side. The first pitch here from Turnbull is a breaking ball cut on and missed, and the count goes 0-1. Turnbull chucks home the 0-1 pitch here. It's a breaking ball in the dirt. Working as he gets his pitch count up. 1-1. Smack deep in right center field, sending Joseph back now drifting towards center. And that ball is going to get out off the batter's eye. Bye-bye baseball. Tyler Wilson, his second homer of the season. A solo blast to tie it up at 1 in the top of the second.
Third baseman, number 5, Owen Cobb.
That'll bring up Owen Cobb. Off the batter's eye. Wind kind of blowing out, too. That 2-2. Grounded sharply down the right field line and fair. Skipping into the corner off the sidewall. Shaw around first on his way to second base, testing the arm of Wilson, and he is thrown out. So goes in the books as the second hit of the day. And Gil Kim could not believe the call as well, nor could Shaw. Gil Kim adamant behind the second base bag. Talking to Jose Sandoval here, and I mean, looking at the replay. First pitch, off speed inside. Wilson 5 times to 2 strikeouts and had 2 RBIs. Runner off here, throw it on second base from Duran is not in time. It's the 11th stolen base of this season for Juan. 1-1. Tap foul behind home plate. Man, you got basically half the roster on the top stolen base list. As Wilson clubs this one down the right field line and into the corner off the wall. Wilson on his way to second base. Scoring from second is Juan Matthews on the RBI double off the bat of Tyler Wilson. And we're all tied up at 2 in the top of the 4th. And Steinbrenner Field, the Yankees minor league facility, as that is the 3rd disengagement of the at-bat by Turnbull. And it is a walk, a balk, which will allow Wilson to move up to 3rd. 3rd one, you got to get him. 0-2. Little blooper right side, that's going to get over the head of Shaw into right field. It's a ball that is probably an out, and probably no run if it was before the balk when there was a runner on third base, but the infield was in, and it just got over Shaw's head on a little looper. On Major League rehab assignment, the righty kicks home the first pitch to Tyler Wilson. It's a fastball in there for a called strike. Since 2023, when he came over from the Mariners, off speed outside, 3 season. 1-1. Fouled off the backstop. Assignment with the Florida Complex League team earlier this week is the 1-2 is popped up down the left field line, giving Powell chase towards the corner and runs out of room. With 1 strikeout for Swanson. 1-2. Fouled over top of the backstop and out. Or a setback, I should say, in his rehab is the 1-2 changeup low and away. Here's the 2-2 to Wilson. And it's pumped down the left field line. Trouble in the corner. Sending Powell back. If it's fair, it's gone. And it is foul. No structural damage. It's a 2-2. Cut on and missed for strike 3 on the off speed. And Eric Swanson picked 0-1 pitch to Joseph. Is popped up pretty deep right field. This should get a run home. Wilson settles under it. Tillman ready to tag. The catch, the throw home, and it is not in time. A sacrifice fly off the bat of Gene Joseph, who's in the 2 weeks ago in Fort Myers, the last road trip for Dunedin. As Beltre skies this one deep down the right field line, sending Wilson drifting back. Just in front of the warning track, he can't make the catch. Bats off his glove all the way off the wall. Beltre around third base, and he'll get the stop sign from Gil Kim. Looked like Wilson was settled under it towards the corner. Just ranged in, took a tough route to the ball. Bounced off his glove, and Manny Beltre in at third. Helmet came flying off around first base as we see the replay. Pieced it up pretty well. Long run for Wilson, and he overran it. Took his eye off the ball coming in on it. And was thinking at first Gil Kim was going to give the send home for the little. For a couple tough outings to start this year, he's locked it in as Tyler Wilson takes a fastball upstairs. 6 innings. Foul tipped into the glove of Duran on the fastball. It's 1-2. One. Swing and a miss on the break. 1-2. Fastball in there for called strike 3 at the top of the zone. First pitch in there for a call. He homered back in the second. 0-1, foul third base side now to play. 2 homers in this game for the Tarpons. Tampa's got 13 hits on the day. Dunedin has 8. Tampa's left 6 on base. Dunedin has left 9 on base. 0-2. Foul tipped into the glove of Duran in Dunedin. 2-2. Popped up. Shallow right. Wilson settles under it and makes the catch for out number 2. Dalton Varsho has